I'm gonna do my first tool review. I said I'd do tool reviews, so here we go. This is a Pittsburgh 130 piece toolkit, and this actually retails very, very cheap. I think I got it for $35. Yeah, and which kind of scares me. I don't know how long this stuff will last. So I'm pretty much going to go through everything that it has in here, everything that you see really, and tell you what everything is. You know, sizes of the wrenches and sockets, and you know everything. So first off, let's start with this top part. So over here we got our screwdrivers. Let's get in here a little bit. We got a bit driver, which goes for all these bits over here, and then we have okay, let's start off over here. We have a large flathead, a large Phillips head, a medium flathead, a medium Phillips head, and a tiny flathead and a tiny Phillips head. Got these vice grips here, needle nose pliers, channel locks, and no, the channel locks are not brown. These are part of my bug out bag, so that's really just dirt on them that I didn't really clean off before this video, which I should have. A pair of wire cutters, adjustable wrench, SAE and metric hex keys, or Allen wrenches, whatever you want to call them. This is a bit holder, or a bit extension is what I've always used it for. That's all it's really good for. It's not really a bit holder, but yeah. And wait, okay. And then your small screwdrivers. It comes with 39 different bits and one adapter, which is right there. And they go all different sizes of bits. So down to the bottom panel, we're going to start with the bigger stuff. This is a little hammer. It's actually pretty tiny, to be real. It's not that big of a hammer. I used it to build my THT camp. I use this in framing nails. It comes with a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, a utility knife, and it locks in place right there. Oh, hold on. See, it locks in place. And, yeah, and a spark plug. No, that's not. Yeah, it is the spark plug socket, which is really just like a 5/8. I think spark plugs are 5/8, aren't they? Yeah, 5/8. And then an extension, 10-foot tape measure in this little box that comes with a bunch of little fasteners, little tiny baby nails and covers and stuff, and what have you. And then SAE and metric wrenches. These come in your regular sizes, stuff that you know it's nothing like unusual. And regular size wrenches, SAE and metric. Same with the sockets. You get hold on, I didn't even count these yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 39 sockets and one adapter, which adapts from 1/4-inch to 3/8. So yeah, that's pretty much all it comes with. Oh yeah, and it comes with this nice little handy dandy case, just like hard plastic. Locks down here. Has this little, put whatever you want in there. I guess for like a little baby lock or whatever. I don't know. And a little handle and a place to put the nail. What my least favorite part about it is that whenever you shut it, open it back up, stuff always falls out from the top. And what's really surprising, because it's usually not the vice grips, it's usually the hex keys or the bits. So yeah, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and do all that kind of stuff. Watch my other videos. Thanks, guys.